Hi, my name is Martha Vera, senior, class of 2014, and today I'm going to show you how to create a book citation using NoodleTools. Okay, folks, it's time to noodle around. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is create a new project. If you already have a project, it should be displayed here, so you're just going to click on it. But for right now, I'm going to create a new project, which is right here. Then it's going to ask you for your citation style. That depends on your teacher, but since most teachers would prefer MLA, I'm going to click MLA for now. It's going to ask you for your citation level. For right now, I'm going to click starter, but that also depends on your teacher. For description, I'm just going to write demo 2, and your description would be whatever your project is about, and then press create project. Next, you are going to scroll down to where it says components. Under components, it says works cited, and you're going to press works cited. Where it says Cite A, click the drop down arrow and click book. Next, you're going to press create citation. So now it's going to ask you for certain things just to make sure it's a book. Obviously, it is a book, it's a book cover. It's going to ask you what it looks like, how to evaluate it, and how to cite it. So next, you're going to press continue. All right, so just to double check, under citing, it should say book, and it says book, so you're good. Okay, so for the book, it's going to ask you for many things, such as the author and the contributor, the title of the book, the publisher, the year, and an annotation. Now I'm going to show you how to do an example. So on a tab right here, I have a book cover, and the title is Science Can Be Fun. So where it says title, I'm going to type in Science Can Be Fun. The author is Monroe Leaf. So where it says contributor under role, click the drop down arrow. It's going to give you a few options: author, compiler, editor, illustrator, and translator. That depends on the kind of book you have, so make sure to double check on that. But for this one, it's author, so I'm going to click author. I'm going to type in Monroe. For last name, I'm going to type in Leaf. And make sure you spell the author's name correctly. To add authors or contributors, just press add contributors, and to delete them, press the X on the side right here, and it deletes them for you. For publisher, for my book, sorry about that. For my book, it's on the cover of the book. For your book, for most books, it's on the second or third page, so you're gonna have to do a little searching for it. But for my publication, it's J.P. Lippincott Company. So I'm going to type in J.P. Lippincott Company. For the publication city, as you can see, it says Philadelphia, New York. So I'm going to type in Philadelphia, New York. For publication city, year, and publisher, they're all going to be on the second or third page. For my book, it was on the first page because that's how the book was formatted. For my book cover, it doesn't show the year, so I'm just going to leave that blank. But for your book, you should definitely search for it. Again, that'll also be on the second or third page of the book. For an annotation, I'm not going to write one because I have never read the book, but I would say that you should write your annotation. And if you click on what is an annotation, NoodleTools takes you to a page where it describes it for you, and it says an annotation is a description that provides a short summary of the content or plot and states the thesis or theme of work. So that all depends on what book you're reading, and make sure you've read the book so you can write the annotation. And then I'm going to press submit, and there you go. There is your book citation using NoodleTools. Now I'm going to show you how to export it into a Word document. So right here where it says print/export, you're going to click the drop down arrow, press print/export Word. Then it's going to take you to this page, and a link is going to pop up, and it's going to ask you if you want to open, save, and save as. I would open it. gonna take a little while to load. And make sure you save your works cited, but NoodleTools will save it for you. So even if you lose it on your work document, that's the good thing about NoodleTools, it will have it for you. Okay. I'm just gonna go back since this is taking some time. Okay, well, and there you go. That is how it's going to come out. And that is how you create a book citation using NoodleTools and export it into a Word document.